Hello everyone, my name is Knight Chang with System Source, and today I'm here to show you a couple of the features and functions of your new lab stool. So we're going to start by showing you a couple of the basic features of the chair. The first is on the right hand side of your chair. This is your standard up-down lever. Most everybody knows where this is, but I still want to demonstrate where that is. The paddle is just right here. Just reach over, lift up, and lift down. Another feature on the chair, which is quite nice, is that we have a seat slider built in. The seat slider built in is on your left-hand side. You'll see the lever here. What that allows you to do is move the seat pan forward and backwards, depending on the depth of your knees and also where you want to hit your back. So that's feature number 2. Feature number 3, because these are stools and they go up a little bit taller, we don't have a tilt back feature. It's a fixed back. However, and that's for safety. However, we do have a lumbar tension support, which pulls the netting up higher to really hit your back in the right area. So in this back knob here, if you twist this back, it's going to get a little bit tighter and pull that tension up further. Lower it back by going clockwise and then counterclockwise the other way. The combination of the tension back and also the seat slide is really preference on your body size and can really hit the right areas for the proper support. Lastly, when you're sitting at your lab counter, sometimes the foot ring might be too low or too high, depending on how you want to sit. This is set at 34 inches, which is approximately the height of the lab counter stools. The counter is between 34 and 36 inches. So if you want to raise this up a little bit, there's a tighten, which is clockwise, and loosen, which is counterclockwise. So if I loosen this up, it allows me to pull this higher. I can hold this ring and tighten it back up. So once this is tight, I'm going to sit on this, lift it up, and then you have a new height for your foot ring. So in summary, you've got 4 features to this. You've got the height adjustment, you have your seat slider on your left-hand side, you have your back tension, which is one on the right here, and then you have your foot ring adjustment. If you have any questions, please reach out to me via email at kchang@systemsource.com, and we thank you for your time.